Whether you're producing one part or 10,000 parts, we can accommodate for all production sizes. Injection molding typically sees numbers in the hundreds of thousands, and we help fill that gap to that point. We offer price breaks from 2 parts all the way to your 10,000 parts, so you get better value the bigger your production is. And with offering scheduled orders for our trade accounts, you can lock in your discount for a longer period. We have received customer feedback where they are getting 50 to 75% savings by coming to us versus traditional CNC machining. The number one factor that affects a part's cost is its size. So if you're doing a scale model of something, just reducing it by 10% can help you save a lot already. When producing with injection molding, your initial cost is your tooling, and this can cost in the thousands. When producing parts with us, we have a minimum order of £40, which means producing with us is accessible to anyone. Whether you're producing a single prototype or doing a batch production of 10,000 parts, we can help facilitate this. We offer price breaks from 2 parts to 10,000 parts to help bring down the part cost as you grow your production. Once you start reaching volumes of 100,000 or more, that's when it makes sense to go to other manufacturing technologies like injection molding. With our express service, you can have your parts within 2 to 4 working days without any time to set up or create tooling for the parts. The main bottleneck in traditional manufacturing techniques is the setup time as well as the tooling time. With us, all you need to do is upload the file to our website, check out, and your part is immediately in the print queue, ready to go on the printers. This is very important in your time to market to get your part produced. With traditional manufacturing, you either have to change your tool or you have to change your setup. With 3D printing, all you do is you change the CAD file and upload it. With our instant quoting and our express turnaround of 2 to 4 working days, we can produce your prototype almost as fast as you can design it. The beauty of this technology is there's no adjustment going from your prototype to your final part. With MJF, you can create a lot more complex geometries. You can have parts with cavities in areas that traditional manufacturing tools can't access or get out of. You can also look at producing your parts in a single assembly instead of having multiple parts. You can also look at using multiple wall thicknesses and not worry about whether the part's going to sink in certain areas. MJF allows you to take advantage of generative design or topology optimization, creating parts that you can't traditionally manufacture. These are the kind of parts that would have a lattice structure to save weight in a certain area or be a lot more bulky in other areas where you require the strength. It's very easy to create interlock parts and moving assemblies with MJF due to the fact that we don't need to add supports and everything's suspended in the powder, unlike traditional 3D printing technologies. Just like with moving assemblies or interlocked parts, you can have pre-assembled parts printed. You can also take advantage of undercuts or overhangs, which you can't get away with traditional manufacturing technologies. With the ability of being able to print parts in a pre-assembly or as one single part, you don't need to worry about assembling that later on. With MJF, you can get away with complex geometries with loads of cavities or undercuts or overhangs. You don't need to worry about any relief angles to release parts from a mold. You can start producing your parts in a single assembly versus multiple different parts. And you don't need to worry about any support or support removal. If you have a design that has a wide variety of customization. You can produce all of them with us without having to worry about multiple different tools for specific iterations. You can take advantage with mass customization using MJF by taking in bespoke orders one at a time, whenever you need them, as you need them. All you do is upload that new file to our website and get that part produced. MJF is the perfect solution for bridge manufacturing. Whether you're producing 10 parts or 10,000 parts, we have the flexibility to ramp up production as your business grows. We are already seeing the classic car industry using us as a virtual warehouse for parts. Customers are starting to identify parts that they cannot get hold of anymore, or is too expensive to manufacture on a larger scale. They're starting to build their own virtual library on our website so they can order the parts as and when they need them, versus storing them in a warehouse.